ready for that.
Okay.
You know, Dad's always done that. You know, us kids would be working, and, you know, he's super dad, you know, and he saves the day.
Awesome! Awesome! I love it!
Now that is going to make a world of difference.
Oh, here we go.
The barn to begin with, it's a big project. The dozer definitely changes everything. And it's like, no, this is fun again.
Come on, baby kid. Oh, yeah. I'll get out of here. Ah, shoot. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hang on.
Digging under. You might have to use back to left here.
I don't know if I can or not. What's stopping you from going forward? The mud.
Stop traction!
We have no fence. Let's just get up to there and stick under it so that Hackney's in the grass.
Good.
Let's do it.
You found the one spot that wasn't rock.
It's of course groundlocked.
Clear the mud so they can put those big branches underneath it and you're going to have something to bite it.
All right.
We all have our own strategies for things here.
Bear. Yeah, don't do that, man.